So let's talk about you for a second, which obviously you have significant exposure for your net worth into your own company. So let's just put that aside. And how do you like to invest your own money? Obviously, again, separate from all the exposure that you have, which is probably significant to your own company. Do you have a 60-40 public markets, bonds, zero alternatives? Or I'm guessing it's probably not that mix. It's some sort of other percentage between the three. What does that look like for you?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, my two principles are invest in what you understand. I don't like taking blind bets, and diversification is key. I think regardless of your risk tolerance, you want diversification. So I avoid things like that I don't understand, basically. So crypto, I hold a bit. It's speculative. It's a very small part of my portfolio, high risk, high reward, but I don't understand it. So it's going to always be a very small part of my portfolio. Same with industries that I don't understand or know a lot about, like healthcare industry. It's never been something I've been interested in. I don't understand, so I'm not going to have high exposure there. The things that I do invest in, again, probably 60-40 in the opposite way. So I'd say 40% in public markets, split between low risk kind of index trackers or funds for which are there for kind of low to medium term risk, but for the long term that I don't really touch, and another 20% in more kind of stock picking, your typical public market stocks that I find like and kind of follow. And then the other 60, I'd say, is split across alternatives, private businesses that I like to invest in. I love the early stage hustle and being part of the journey. So whether it's kind of businesses that I set up but other people operate, or businesses that I see I like and kind of want to put some money in, and property. I think it's something that everybody should have as part of their portfolio. Different
Which one was that?
jurisdictions.
Did you say Anthropic?
Property,
Oh,
properties.
property.
Property.
So what percentage of the 60% do you think is property?
Probably about 20-25.
So like a third of the 60. So you like startups, and then property, anything else? Meaning
Um,
in that
uh,
60%.
no, early stage businesses. So my alternatives are probably split across private businesses that I own or I'm like a kind of majority shareholder in, or other investments that I've put in as a VC style investment.
How many other businesses are you like the owner of that it's kind of like your business that somebody else is running? It's very interesting strategy.
Two as a majority, and then one that's currently being set up. That's very early stage, kind of a legal tech firm that I'm going to be part of, but not majority.
So, I mean, you're a great example of the traditional 60-40 public markets to bonds is maybe not the contemporary portfolio for everybody. So that's why you're an awesome guest.